Hi there. I'm coming at you with a video, and it's a review on some jewelry that I was sent by a company. And the company, as you can see, is Italo Jewelry. And this is their box, their packaging that these are rings, and these rings came in. And you open it by flipping. You can see, you flip it open, and it comes with some information. It comes with a little baggie, and it looks really nice. It's really nice mesh material. And it also comes with a polishing cloth. Comes with this polishing cloth and some information about the jewelry, and we'll get into that in a few minutes. And I want to show you the jewelry that I received from this company. Oops, don't want to open it yet. It comes in nice quality satin-like finish. And this is how it comes. And I received these. I'm going to talk about these first. And these are absolutely beautiful, guys. I mean, absolutely exquisite. And I'm going to give you some information about these rings. Let me go ahead and put them on. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. I mean, these are absolutely information. Beautiful. The metal is 925 sterling silver. The weight is 14.95 grams. The center stone weight is 4.00 carats. Rhodium, which gives it a platinum appearance. And it is nickel free. And that means it will not tarnish. Also, there is information about how to take care of these rings. Now, the gem information is sapphire. And the primary stone color is white sapphire. The cut is oval. And the setting is 4-prong. The side stone color is white. The side stone cut is round and oval. And the side stone setting is prong. As you can see, these rings are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they are amazing. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. This ring is oh my. And my ring size is 7. And I want you to see the absolute gorgeousness of these rings. And I'm going to remove the tag. And I'm going to put this ring on. And as you can see, this one is absolutely beautiful also. And this one is a triple row eternity cushion wedding band. But I would probably wear this one on this side, this hand, on my right hand, and wear these on my left, on my wedding hand. And these are absolute. This is stunning, guys. And I want to give you some information about the ring. It is also 925 sterling silver. That means that no, it will not tarnish. It will not turn your fingers green. I know I get that question a lot. No, these rings will not turn your fingers green. And you know I'll come back later with an update on these. These are absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at there. Beautiful. The total weight is 11.50 grams. The width of this is 11.35 millimeters. The thickness is 2.85 millimeters. The carat total weight is 6.25 carat total weight. Rhodium, yes, which gives it a platinum appearance, and it is nickel free. The gem type is sapphire. Stone color is white. Stone cut is cushion and round. The name is the Italo Triple Row Eternity Cushion Created White Sapphire Wedding Band. And that means that what an eternity band is, it's an unbroken circle of contemporary created sapphire that wraps all the way around your finger, as you can see. All the way around. It represents eternity because it has no beginning and no end. They are also a favorite for wearing on any finger because they are so versatile. Amazing. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And they did give me a discount code, which will be in the description box, and also the links to these, each one of these rings. This tells you about how to return or exchange your notice. They have a 60-day return policy, and that's information on that you'll receive with your product. And this is their warranty. They have a 1-year warranty, and they stand behind the quality and craftsmanship of their jewelry. And it's a 1-year warranty against manufacturer defects. This is telling you how to clean your jewelry. And go over to their website. Like I said, I'll leave the links to these rings, but go over to their website. They offer a variety of rings, earrings, bracelets, necklaces. They also offer men's rings too. So go over and check out their website, and you can also use my code, which will be in the description below, for 20% off of your purchase. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.